Hello guys, welcome to Intellect Skills. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss HTML text formatting. So let's begin. HTML contains several elements for defining text with a special meaning to make text appear differently than normal text. Here are some of the text formatting tags. Okay, so here are some of the predefined tags. The first is the bold text. The second is the strong. We have the italic and the emphasized text. We have the marked text, small text, deleted text, inserted text, subscript, and superscript. Okay, so let's switch over to our code editor and see this in action. Okay, so we have a basic HTML structure ready and saved as textformat.html. Okay, so now we have our text ready and wrapped in p tags. So let's start with a bold tag. We use the bold tag to make a text bold. So let's wrap the bold text with our opening and closing p tags. The strong and bold tags actually work the same. The only difference is that the text wrapped within the strong tags have more importance than compared to that of a bold tag. Okay, so now let's wrap our strong text in our opening and closing strong tags. The EM and I tags are used to render italic text, but the content wrapped within the EM tags have more importance than compared to the I tag. The opening and closing mark tags are used to define marked or highlighted text. The opening and closing small tags are used to define smaller text. The opening and closing delete tags are used to define deleted or removed text. The opening and closing INS tags are used to define inserted or added text. The opening and closing sub-element defines subscripted text, while the HTML sub-element defines superscripted text. Now let's check the output on our browser. So as you can see, the default styling of the individual tags has been added. Okay, so now let's quickly recap on what we have learned in this video. Okay, so both the strong and the bold tags are used to render bolder text, but the strong tag indicates that its content has more importance than compared to the bold text. Both EM and I tags are used to render italic text, but the EM tag indicates that its content has more importance compared to the I tag. EM tag renders as emphasized text with additional importance. The HTML mark element defines mark or highlighted text. The HTML small element defines smaller text, while the HTML delete element defines deleted or removed text. The HTML INS element defines inserted or added text. The HTML sub-element defines subscripted text, while the HTML sub-element defines superscripted text. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn about HTML list. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive a notification on all my latest videos. So stay tuned and keep learning.